Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a 2023 AV36 outboard from Aviara boats. This boat is beautifully done in the black primary gel coat with black bottom, dark gray accent, and black hardtop exterior. Really striking boat on the water, very aggressive lines. You can do this boat in twins or triples. We have this one powered with triple 300 horsepower Mercury V8 4.6 liter Verados with joystick. Got a reboarding ladder on the starboard side, and now we'll make our way inside the boat. So starting off from the transom, the AV36 from Aviara, we have a very walkable transom here. Even with the outboards, there's easily 2 feet of space, not including the actual swim platforms. So you don't sacrifice any space back here at all. We've got recessed cleats on both sides. Beneath these 3 chase lounges, you have really nice storage and some hookups as well. So beneath the port side, battery switches are here. Shore power connections are also here. Our freshwater fill and freshwater sprayer, one of several on board, and our outboard flushing port are all here as well. And then, of course, with these in the down position, you've got a really nice lounger, a sunbed, and then all 3 of these backrests actually ratchet upright. So you can create a whole nother row of seating all the way across. In addition, these headrests also convert and raise to form bar stools. So you can create 2 rows of almost stadium-style seating. 3 couples can be back here. Everyone has a place to sit. They're not stacked on top of each other. If you have kids in the water, everybody is elevated. They can see the kids. It's great for a really nice social zone. As we start to enter the boat, we've got a very large cockpit door here. This is billet aluminum material, really high quality, and it's a very tall door as well, so small dogs will be safely tucked in. Dedicated fender storage here. So big boat, big fenders, not going to be eating up storage that you could otherwise use for life jackets, beach bags, other items that you're actually going to use on your outing. And then coming back inside, we have a trash receptacle here, one of 2 on board. Gourmet wet bar here. This section is an option. You can also do an aft-facing seat standard. We have a 1 grill, 1 fridge setup. You can also do 2 of each. We've got the Kenyon electric grill. Storage box here. Can also be a cooler box as this area is drained. And then beneath the countertop, we've got a pull-out fridge and open storage. The wet bar itself has a freshwater sink, storage for 3 bottles. This also makes for a great cooler if you just throw some ice in here and plug the sink. Couple options here. We've done the built-in cooler drawer, 42 quart cooler drawer. You can also do a portable drop-in cooler. Coming around to the other side, really nice lounge seating here. Makes for a great corner if you're going to lounge. This backrest actually faces both directions. So you can have an aft-facing lounger here, cup holders, grab handles as well, and then storage beneath all of these cushions. Really deep storage that's continued all the way through, so you can put longer items in here also. We do have a cockpit table that stows under here and mounts here on a J-shaped arm that folds open like a leaf. There's also one up in the bow. There's also storage beneath this seat, and there's a trash receptacle here that you can access either beneath the seat or through this door, so you don't have to displace a passenger to get to the trash can. And then here you can either sit facing forward in a seating position, or you can bring this up to have more of like a leaning post or a bolster, or cup holders, another grab handle here as well. Before we leave the cockpit, this boat does have the powered aft shade. So at the touch of a button at the helm, the shade will extend all the way out past the aft-facing seats, the loungers. Coming up to the helm, Really nice helm seat here, double wide, with adjustable bolsters for both the observer and the captain. Steering wheel is on a tilt base also. Really well appointed helm area. You've got your monolith screen for the boat sound system, pumps, lights, powered and automated features such as the extended sunshade, the powered hatch. That aft seating area is a powered hatch that exposes basically the bilge area for the boat, or what would be the engine room otherwise. Really large display here from Simrad. We've got a smaller Simrad unit also for our Mercury vessel view display, and these are integrated together. So you can also get engine data on the main screen. And then I've got a touchpad here for my horn, blower, nav lights, bilge pumps. Some redundancy there in addition to what's on the far left screen. Joystick is standard on all of the Aviaras. And of course, we have digital throttle and shift. A phone charger here, ignition's below, a couple of cup holders, charging port. Glove box here with a VHF radio, nicely tucked away. And we've got trim tabs with LED indicators. Moving forward, down to the cabin. This door is on a nice magnetic catch. This cabin is fully appointed with climate controls, heating and air, television, soundbar, microwave. Got a really nice head area also. Pull out sprayer at the sink. Distribution panel and storage are beneath those cabinets. There's also a table that drops into the floor where you can throw one of the filler cushions down and extend the berth. Makes for a great changing area or a good place to get the kids out of the rain or the sun. They need to go down for a nap. Coming up here to the bow, we do have a block-off door. In addition to being able to close the windshield, we can seal the cockpit off on cooler running days. And this tucks back in nice and out of the way. Bow area is very deep, very comfortable. Kids are going to feel very safe and secure here. Lots of cup holders, charging ports. All the speakers are really nice and integrated so that it looks clean. We do have storage beneath the port and starboard seats. This one is can function as a cooler. It's drained. Got a table option here in which we can also convert this whole area to a sun lounge with a filler cushion. As far as the aesthetics go, black gel coat on the outside. This is a light gray gel on the inside, so it's nice and easy on the eyes. Light gray upholstery here. All the metals are in black satin. So everything was really intentionally done aesthetically. But just an overall great boat, especially for the type of water we have in Charleston. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax. We're just off Daniel Island at 142 Sportsman Island Drive, exit 23A off Highway 526. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 if you have any questions about this boat or any of our others. And always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Thanks for watching.